Hello. Today we're going to have a look at the specifics and options of the exterior step on Cedreo. In the exterior step, as in all steps with the catalog, you have a search bar. You have to look for lawn or pavement. You can find them in the catalog. Pavement is in ground, driveway. To trace the pavement, you have to remember, one click, one turn. Like here for example. When you have finished tracing, click on the checkbox here. It is the same process to draw a low wall. Please note that magnetism can help you to adjust your exterior zones. In ground, like here for example, magnetism will help you to have a cleaner and more accurate drawing. In the right panel you can add points. These will help you to modify the form of a zone. You can also easily remove the point in the right panel. All the zones are customized dimensions. The lawn is lower than the driveway, which is lower than the deck. Then in the materials step, we can change the covering of the zones. For example, you can choose stone cladding for the low wall. Note that in the layout step, you can go to show settings and check exterior. That allows you to modify your layout with including your outdoor ground and exterior areas. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.